hide or unhide photos on iPhone. To hide any photos, go to Photos app of your iPhone. Here select any photo which you want to hide from iPhone. Select that photo. Click on three horizontal dot against top right corner and choose hide. Finally, hide photo. Tap on hide photo and this successfully hidden. Now we will unhide photo on iPhone. Again go to Photos app. Here go to album from the bottom. Scroll down under utilities. You will find the option hidden. Tap on it. Tap on hidden and tap on view album. Unlock your phone and click on photo which you want to unhide. Again click on three horizontal dot and choose unhide. Your photo will successfully unhide from iPhone. No photos or videos in hidden. That's all.